Welcome to MotoGP 2024.
Absolute chaos. Marquez down! Marquez has crossed! Well, what a story. Jorge Martin has already taken the checker flag as he makes it 12 successive sprint podiums. This is MotoGP. This is the Spanish Grand Prix. Jorge Martin, your World Championship leader, claims that victory. Marc Marquez is out for revenge this afternoon. A nation awaits. We are racing in MotoGP here in Spain. Marc Marquez has nailed the start from pole position. Jorge Martin moves up on the inside of Marco Bezzecchi. But it's Marc Marquez that leads his home Grand Prix. How far back goes Paco Bagnaia? How did he get that stop? Bagnaia means business. He's got the inside line though through on Marc Marquez. Paco Bagnaia, he leads at the end of an incredible first lap. And Marc Marquez is fighting straight back into turn number one, and Jorge Martin's going to take advantage. Marquez back in third. Here we go then, it's Bagnaia that leads. Sideways goes Bagnaia, he's made a mistake. Martin and Marquez power on through.